Need a friend I can call on when I need them. Make me laugh, make me smile when I need it. Want a friend who's always got my back. Would be two of a kind and be crazy at times. Need a friend I can always speak my mind to. It's a trust, it's a must, and it's mutual. We include other kids cause it's kind, yeah, I know what I want and I desperately need it. School days are way too lonely. I'm missing out, I know. Some days I sit on my own and I watch the kids play with their mates. So I want a friend to lean on. I need to feel like I belong. Cause I don't feel right alone at break time to the start of our school year. So I want a friend of my own. That's what I really want. Well, we can show you how to make a brand new friend. It's hopeless.
No, it's not. We know you can do this.
I'm useless.
Stop being so hard on yourself.
No one will wanna be friends with me.
Don't worry, we'll show you exactly what to do.
If you want to make a brand new friend at school, you met us at the perfect time. We'll show you how to make a brand new friend, and soon your confidence will start to climb.
It'll take time to build up trust, but keep at it and you'll see. Being kind, paying fair, take it and sharing, they're all good things to come with me.
You'd like to make a new friend, so listen up, this is what you do. Just follow these simple steps. Yeah. Step 1, introduce yourself, say hello, with a smile. Step 2, ask who you're in, can I play with you? Step 3, show an interest in what they like, they'll be impressed. Step 4, try every day, your friend is superstar.
Okay, I'll give it a go, but I'm pretty sure it's not gonna work. Hi, I'm Jess. Hi, I'm Sophia. You wanna play at recess? Absolutely, I would.
So the two new buddies high-five and chat, discovering all of the things that they have in common.
When a friendship is new, it is fragile and needs of care.
As the friendship grows, there'll be endless fun and laughter to share. And you say,
I got a friend, a person I can count on, someone I can be silly with. Yeah, I got a friend, a person to rely on, nothing in the world we can't do. You don't need to worry, 'cause when we are together we rule. No need to talk the talk, just walk the walk with you. 'Cause when we are together we rule. Na 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 na. 'Cause when we are together we rule. Na 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 na. 'Cause when we are together we rule.
hey Sophia, let's go play over here. It'll be fun. Asked to play, tick. Actually, I was thinking of playing over here this time, so let's go this way. Asked to play, tick. Well, you chose where to play yesterday. I'm pretty sure it's my turn. Compromise, tick. No, actually, it was your choice yesterday, so it's definitely my turn. Compromise, tick. Oh, this is frustrating. What do I do here? Ugh, why can't I have it my way today? Why always in a mood, grumpy and full of attitude? Also totally impatient too, and when you're in a mood, I don't wanna be around you. Tell me when you don't be in a mood. Why you always in a mood, sassy and full of attitude, attacking everyone around you, and when you are in a mood, I don't wanna be around you too. Tell me when you don't be in a mood, friend.
I can't believe you would say that. Answer wasn't you feeling bad. Nothing to it feeling that.
must apologize. Sincerely, I'm without the attitude.
Own up to your actions and your mood, cause when you are in a mood,
It's really hard to say the things you should. I didn't mean to take it out on you. Hey, I'm sorry for my mood. I'm checking in to see what I can do. I also would appreciate it too.
Cause when I am in a mood, it's really hard to say the things I should. Sorry that I put you in a mood, friend.
Apologising and taking ownership of your actions are really important after a fight. It can make your friendship much stronger and will lead to less fights in the future.
Hey, I'm sorry. What a silly thing to fight about.
I'm sorry too. I hope you can put this in the past.
We are really proud of you. You've done this together. You've had us start to work things out. Your friendship's even better. Talk about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. Much care and respect. Yes, it will. It can never stop. My bestie, your bestie, on a friendship journey. There'll be lots of highs and lows. You don't have to stop me. Talk about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. Smile every day. Your friends by your side. Look at you got a friend.
They'll stick for you.
well, you got your friend and they got you. Friendships are tough, but they are worth it.
Gotta work hard but compromising.
Good work, your time, your effort, and your motivation. Trust is a must, you got their back. Support them when a bit act whack.
Honesty, trust, and forgiveness.
Providing the friendship way.
Shout out to the friendship crew, the kids who's always there. They showed me the impossible, they've taught me how to care.
Found a person just like me who had no one to rely on. I can't believe I made a friend. I feel like I belong.
My bestie, your bestie.